friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning the triple crochet stitch, also called treble crochet. This is one of the tallest basic stitches in crochet and it works up super fast. I'm using a lightweight yarn and a size 4mm hook. Let's start with a foundation chain around 15 stitches. It's great for the practice. Begin by yarning over 2 times. This is different from the other stitches we've learned. Insert your hook into the 5th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. You will now have 4 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. You are down to 2 loops. 1, 2. Yarn over one last time and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now repeat. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now continue till the end of the row. When you reach the end of the row, chain 4 to turn your work. 3 and 4. That gives you the height you need for the triple crochet and begin your next row. Remember to skip first stitch as chain 4 counts as first stitch and continue till the end of the row. Skip the stitch and continue in the next stitch. When you reach the end, insert your hook into the 4th stitch from previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4. And make a triple crochet. And that's the triple or treble crochet stitch. It's light, lacy and great for open work designs like shawls and summer tops. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check out the next video where we will start combining stitches into simple patterns.